do have an important Google Sheets document in Google Drive. It can be an accounting document such as cash flow. It is advisable to make regular backups of that document. Let's automate the process with AppScript. I emphasize, in order to implement this solution, you do not have to know how to code. You only need to change the code in the part that I will show you in this video. First, let's open the Google Sheets document. Now go to Extensions and select AppScript. Let's call the project Backup. Let's paste the code. You can get the code by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Now let's change the folder ID and document ID. You will find the folder ID and document ID in the address bar in the browser. Let's copy these numbers and insert them into the code. This is the folder ID. Let's copy it and insert it here. And this is the document ID. Let's copy it and insert in here. Let's save the code and run it by clicking Run. Authorization is required. Just follow these steps. Now let's check if a copy of the document has been made. We see that it is. Now let's set up the automation. Let's go to Triggers. Click on Add Trigger. We see that the backup function is already selected. Under Select Event Source, select Time Driven. Under Select Type of Time-Based Trigger, select Day Timer. Under Select Time of Day, select time at which we want the copy of the document to be made. I will choose this time. Click Save. As we can see, our trigger is ready to execute and automation is set. Want more tricks like this? Subscribe to our channel, like, or write to us.